Hold on, so let's go in like this. I did forget my washcloth, and I think I left my other phone at my friend's house, my flip phone that I had. So I'm like between 2-3 places now. This should be the last pass I have to make. I mean, they said they're gonna trespass me, but I got like 2 things missing right now. Give me a second. I really need to get that washcloth, my flip phone somewhere. Oh, and I missed a cup. Let's see, in good shape too. Alright. I'll double check the area here. Slide. I got my lightning rod. I'm gonna leave this other shit behind. I'm not seeing it anywhere. Alright. I guess I'm just grabbing my lightning rod and my shit here. That's about it. Just like that, back over here to church ground. But that's it. I guess I left everything else at my friend's house. So I can wait till morning at least. And tell me I don't make stuff out of aluminum cans. By the way, the welfare check never showed up. So I'm gonna sit here and figure out while my flip phone is missing, and I probably left it at my friend's house. There's no way to contact it. There's no GPS in there. Yes, there's one-of-a-kind files on that. Yeah. It's got to be there somewhere. I pretty much unloaded my pockets over there anyway, because I was pretty much like, done. But anyway, here we go. Well, I got set up for the night. Probably gonna move that in over here closer anyway. Right here. I'm gonna try to let my book dry off on the residual heat over here as well. That was one of my break points. I've checked like everything here at this point. I probably lost it halfway in the scramble is what I'm thinking. Yeah, I know. I'm worried about my phone. I know I left it over there. I know I did, because that pocket would not be empty otherwise. God damn it. Always losing just one stupid thing. This brain damage. That's what's doing it. No, I can't even get drunk without brain damage. For real. Like, no. I'll forget I'm drunk. That's how bad my brain damage is. Get it? You're like, no, I'm not drunk actually. But I'm gonna try. Speaking of which, this is all the thatch work I did with the resins. which I actually have to still keep working in with the, actually, this one's better. This stuff's a little bit thicker, so I gotta dissolve it and work it in. Mainly because I don't have enough of that. So, I don't know.